Hi, Dean Jenkins from FollowMeTrades.com here, and I'm recording this short video to talk about risk management and the integrated share size calculator that I provide on my website. I really can't emphasize risk management enough. It's a crucial part of my trading and my success, and I just strongly encourage that everybody use risk management in their trading. And what do I mean by risk management? It's it's limiting our exposure, minimizing our exposure to loss at all times. We're controlling how much loss we can take on any given trade. There are losing trades. My winning rate's about 67%. That means about 33% of them lose. But I'm very profitable with those statistics, and the way I do that is controlling how much loss there is on the losers. I use principles that are developed. They're based on the risk of ruin tables developed by Professor Nasser Balsara, and really the strategies that Bennett McDowell from TradersCoach.com has come up with to implement them. He was my mentor, still is, and these rules, these methods just really work, and they protect us from loss and help us be profitable. And the basic thing we do is we're only willing to lose 2% of our trading account on any given trade, and we let that determine how many shares we buy. So here's an example, right? If our account size is $100,000, then the maximum risk we're willing to take on any trade is 2% or $2,000. We're only willing to lose $2,000 on any given trade. The math for this is we take the entry price of the instrument that we're buying minus the stop price. This equals the dollar risk per share, and then we take our $2,000 and divide it by the risk per share, and that gives us the number of shares to buy. Now, that math might, that's a little bit much, it's a little cumbersome, so I really try to make it easy. I put a calculator on my website, and we'll take a look at that. So here's what a page looks like when you get a stock pick from me. And again, I really try to make this easy. I put a lot of work into this, so I hope you guys use it to have this functionality on my website. So here's what a pick would look like. It's on this embedded form. I give you the symbol, the company, the buy price range. So legitimate entry anywhere within, for this one, $62.59 to $64. I tell you what the stop loss price is and what my price target, where I expect it to go. This is an old one. Don't go buy Solar City. We never got an entry on this trade, and it is currently not a good pick. So I'm just using this calculator as an example. Don't go long on Solar City. So here you can see these green arrows are pointing. These are fields that you can change, and you can enter the actual value that you get into the share, into the stock at, and your account size. What it gives you is the number of shares to buy. Like in this case, if it were a $100,000 account, and we got in right at the 62.59, it says buy 158 shares. So that's going to cost you 98.89.22. Our potential profit is 7,885. The amount at risk is 1989.22. So it's rounding down. So we're always $2,000 or less at risk. And I calculate our risk to reward ratio. So at the time of this pick, it was nearly 4 to 1, which is a great risk to reward. I'm always above, never are we going to lose more than I think we'll win. I always look for a high risk to reward ratio. But what you can do is change the price. Let's say we got in right at the outside range here at $64. So I just type in 64, and you can see it changes the number of shares to buy. What stays the same is the amount at risk. This is the key factor. It's always under $2,000. You can see that I change that. If I go back, say 63, the number of shares goes up a little bit. I can change the account size. You can put in whatever your trading account size is. So I made it $50,000, and now it's 76 shares to buy, and the amount at risk is 988, less than 1,000. Right? 2% of 50,000 is $1,000. It's always 2% of the actual trading account size. So that's really how it works. You manipulate these two values, the actual price you're getting in your account value, your account size, tells you how many shares to buy to follow the risk management guidelines that I'm following and I recommend everyone follow as well. That's it. Uh, Thanks for watching, and again, always use risk control in your trading, and I'd love to get your questions or feedback. Always love to hear from subscribers.